My name is Dr. Dulcy Rakumakoe, originally from Hammanskraal. I'm a medical practitioner by training. I've been in private practice since 2002 as a sole practitioner and registered accessible quality health services in 2013. My first medical practice was in Vryburg in the Northwest, because I had done my community service there, and I saw what the injustice of, inequality is like, especially when it comes to healthcare. We had a 60-bed hospital there supposed to cater for 20 villages. So that's where I started my first medical practice in Vryburg. I ran that for about 3 years. While working there, I saw that a lot of the guys were leaving these villages to work in the mines. So they would come back sick, and to me it seemed like a lot was not done in terms of health promotion and teaching people healthy living choices in the mining towns. So I opened my next medical practice in Carletonville. And from Carletonville, I studied occupational health to work more closely with the mines, and I also studied sports medicine and was like a doctor for the Banyana team. So while working on growing the Middlelands branch, I got in contact with Mr. Pascal Frolica, who had a lot of experience in impact investing. So we talked about how to grow the business. He told me about Enterpriseroom, and that we should approach Enterpriseroom for assistance in applying for funding, because we were looking now to grow the business. And in growing the business, we identified Park Station as a very high traffic area where this market that we are targeting is traveling through every day. You have about 300,000 people walking through Park Station every day. And we thought like the best model would be actually to have a clinic in there that opens very early, so that people who are on their way to work can stop through and collect their chronic medication or just get contraceptives and things that don't need people to take time off work. So we worked with Enterpriseroom to develop the business plan, which we presented to Discovery Health, and Discovery was very excited about the business and invested then in setting up the Park Station branch of the UK medical centers. I think the best thing that happened to our company was engaging the Enterpriseroom and getting the support that we got from them. They worked with us in doing the market research. Like how we came to the price was through the extensive market research that we did through the assistance of the Enterpriseroom. We are now, because our staff complement is so much more increased, we are now forced to be more than entrepreneurs, but actually proper business managers. So we worked with the Enterpriseroom also to develop policies and protocols, around HR, to make sure that we are able to manage, the talent that we have. And also when it comes to the funding, like accessing the funding from Discovery, I don't think it would have been possible, had the Enterpriseroom not been, supporting us and working with us in developing the business plan.